Hey folks, welcome to the BookFunnel Feature Spotlight. My name is Jack. I am our lead author support specialist here at BookFunnel. Today, we are taking a look at our bulk delivery feature. This is a feature that we designed specifically for Kickstarter and other crowdfunding campaigns and services that authors use. Bulk delivery allows you to deliver multiple books to the BookFunnel libraries of a list of readers. And this is useful for a number of reasons. Let's say you are running a Kickstarter and you have books to deliver to your backers, ebooks and audiobooks. Maybe you have some physical products to deliver to them too, but these ebooks and audiobooks, you want to get them in their hands seamlessly and easily. Well, bulk delivery is the feature that is built for that. Essentially, what bulk delivery does is allows you to deliver those books to those readers without requiring that you send them an email. If you're running a Kickstarter, you're probably communicating with your backers on Kickstarter. Or if you're using Patreon, for example, you're going to be communicating with your patrons primarily on Patreon. Now, you might have access to their emails in order to deliver rewards and so forth, but they're not used to receiving email from you. And other BookFunnel features that deliver a private link, such as certified mail and gift a book, well, those emails are coming from BookFunnel, which can add another wrinkle. That's just the way email works, guys, unfortunately. Sometimes when people receive emails from senders they haven't received emails from before, those emails get put in spam or in a promotions folder in their Gmail inbox or something like that. Basically, they still get the email, but they can't find it. And that makes it frustrating for your backers to find those rewards. So here with bulk delivery, what we do is we add those books, ebooks or audiobooks, directly to their BookFunnel libraries. Readers then just log in at my.bookfunnel.com in order to access their books. And you can communicate that information directly to them over Kickstarter or Patreon, or whatever the case might be. Just tell them, go to my.bookfunnel.com and log in using the same email you use here on Kickstarter. And they'll be able to access their books that way and then download them from there. So to demonstrate how this works here, I'm going to select which books I want to deliver. All right, so I've selected about 4 books here to deliver. Now I just need to copy and paste in my list of emails. So I've got those here, and all of these readers will have these books added to their BookFunnel libraries once I deliver them to them. Then all they need to do is log in and then they can access their books. You can also add a note to yourself regarding this delivery so that you can look back on it and see why this was delivered, what it was delivered for, if it was for a specific campaign or something like that. So you have that note for your records. So we'll go ahead and deliver to those libraries. The books will be added immediately, and then you can head on over and tell your readers, hey, your books are there. You can sign in to access them now. One final note about bulk delivery that's important for you to know is that BookFunnel does not send a notification to your readers when a book is delivered. You will need to communicate to them and inform them that the book has been delivered to their BookFunnel library, and then they can log in there and access it. This has been our BookFunnel feature spotlight on bulk delivery. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about how you can use bulk delivery, go ahead and put those in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you all in the next BookFunnel feature spotlight.